So hey guys, this is Miss Hoover, and this video is to help you kind of remember how to set things up in MLA format. So what I have in front of me is a research essay that is written completely, but it is not in MLA format. So the first thing I see here is that it's not Times New Roman 12-point font. It is 14-point font. So I'm going to hit Control A, and that highlights everything. That highlights all. And come up here to my toolbar and go to Times New Roman 12-point font. While I'm here, I'm going to make sure everything is double spaced. And yep, and it looks like, yeah. So that looks fine. This is my title, so it is going to be at the center of the page, and everything else is left aligned. So at the top of my first page, I need, in the left-hand corner, your name, so the student name, date, and class. As long as your name is the top thing, I'm not really picky about if you list it as class, date, or date class. Either one is perfectly fine. Traditionally in MLA format, you put, for the date, it's day, month, and then year. So it might look something like John Doe, 30th of May, 2019, English 112, section 41. 42. Okay, then we don't need any extra space up here. It looks like I've got some extra space. Nope, over here. Don't you hate when that happens? Okay, so that's at the very tippy top of the page. Now I need my header, so I'm going to double click up in the header. I'm going to put insert, or in the design, page number, top of page, plain number 3, and remember you have to use that page number setting. Anything I type into this header is going to appear on every single page. So I put the last name, oops, that's my last name. The last name of this student is Doe. I'm going to highlight it and select Times New Roman 12-point font. And there I go. So it has the last name and page number. You'll notice that all of the in-text citations, let me make this a little bit bigger, all of the in-text citations are the author's last name and the page number. You will not have page numbers because you're writing about a movie or a speech. You can put a timestamp in there, or you just put the last name of the director. Sorry. At the end of your essay, you should have a works cited page with just your one source from that movie listed, and I have included on Moodle some handouts that will help you create that works cited entry. I believe I also maybe included an example on my example outline. If you have questions or concerns about what to put, like what words to put in your works cited entry, just let me know. To get this beautiful little hanging indent, what you do is you highlight the citation, and right here where it says paragraph, you're going to click on this down arrow to get the settings, and you want this section right here to say hanging. If I say first line, that's going to be like our paragraph setting. What you want, special hanging. Click OK. And that gets it to the right spot. Like I said, you should only have one source. If for some reason you have more than one, then you list them in alphabetical order based off of the first thing that's listed. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to let me know, and I will try to answer your emails quickly. I typically answer within 24 hours. Thank you and have a great day.